Well, I'm really excited with Pastor Gary being here in Madagascar, and I just want to thank you people from the Grace Community Church. This is a really blessing for us here in Madagascar. I have seen a real revival that is going to happen after this. I am going to take whatever I learned from here. I learned a lot, and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much for sending him to Madagascar. You people, you are really blessed to have Pastor Gary with you. I pray that he will come back again. Thank you very much. May God bless you people.
Yes, from the church in America. Greetings from Nehemiah. I'm the pastor in Antananarivo, Madagascar. Yeah, first of all, I really want to thank you guys. I appreciate you for letting Gary, letting him go to this big island for that sacrifice of time. I really know that you want to keep him forever in your church, but sometimes you have to let him a little bit go, because we as well, we need those teachings. Well, the teaching was really rich, deep, and empowering, encouraging, and the revelation was so clear to us. And we realized that is what we want, and we thank God for this appointed time. We really believe it's not by mistake, but it was an appointed time for God. So we really enjoy the teachings. Thank you guys for letting him go, and even asking him more, for him to come back again sometimes, maybe not next week, but maybe next year. And that is a request to really respect you guys as Gary's congregation, but still, remember, I ask your permission for your respect, but God has the final say. So I believe for us and for you guys, we hand it over into God's sovereignty and control. And if it's God's will and we willing, we'll really be glad to still have him again sometimes in Madagascar for bigger impact. And bless you guys. Don't forget you reap from his ministry, from his work. You as well, you benefit from it. Thank you very much. And already, it's very little time to say it, but we love you already, and because that's a supernatural love. It's not based on things on earth, but it's really God working in our hearts, and we can say we love you. That was one of the teachings. Paul converted, and Philip, the apostles called him already brothers, and we already love you with that brother love. Bye, and
I give big thanks to God to give Gary from Grace Church in Texas, because we are very blessed to encourage God, use him to raise up God's church in Madagascar. I hope God works mightily through God's church in Madagascar through Gary's ministries. Thank you very much for sending him and Osia, and give also my thanks to his family, wife, and the church. Thank you very much.
Pastor Jean-Paul, thank you very much for Gary's community. Misaotra betsaka tena nahazo
misaotra ny amin'ny formation
Pasteur Gary, misaotra betsaka pasteur,
dia tena misaotra anazy mankasitraka tanteraka.
Mankasitraka anazy pasteur, dia misaotra betsaka ny pasteur Gary.
Misaotra betsaka.
Thank you very much